$647 for just 3 minutes. It's true. Probably such questions arise in your head, but now I will sort everything out. Stay with me and get bonus for the trading. Hello traders, and how is your profits? I hope well. If not, then I will help you. The other day I developed the perfect strategy for making money on the binary options, and I conducted test trades and have already earned $647 in just 3 minutes. Not only me, but also my subscribers regularly earn large amounts of the money from the trading thanks to the secret strategies and signals that I provide in my Telegram channel. If you still have doubts, just take a look at the subscriber reviews. So, join us and start earning with us. So, see you in the Telegram channel. Let's not torment and let's start. The most important, most valuable part of the video is that the strategy designed especially for you. It consists of the Ishimoku cloud and CCI indicators. You don't need to be an expert to figure it out and earn money. It's simple. Let me explain. In the trend is moving up and our indicator on the chart doesn't show resistance, then this is a signal to increase. If not, then to decrease. Now I will show you everything using the example of my deals. And now the most important settings. I leave everything at the standard values because they perfectly cope with their task. I turn on the Japanese candlestick, set the interval to 30 minutes and the transaction time to 30 seconds. We will trade on the index crypto composite index. We are starting our sharp and profitable start. So we'll look at the chart and I already see a point to enter the increase. I will enter with the amount of the $90 and now about why it is an increase. On the chart we will see a small adjustment and the movement of the indicators on the rise. This is enough for a signal. That's how quickly our first deal ends and the balance is $173 and I will not hesitate and go to the next deal. So if you are not sure about my strategy yet, I will now prove that it worked. We open a reduction deal in the amount of the $173. Let me explain why. Our indicators show that the chart is flexibly turning downward and small adjustments are insignificant. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable trading platform, I recommend Olim Trade. There are fast withdrawals, transparent transactions and good profits. I trust this platform and am confident in its reliability. So also join the Telegram channel to receive the bonuses and up to date all the information for the successful trading. Yeah, our deal is coming to an end and our balance is already $335. But we will not stop and move on. Do you have the dream of the making money from the trading but do not know how to start? Then subscribe to my Telegram channel for an useful information. There you will find bonus, strategies and much more. So the link in the description and don't miss your chance to start making a big profit from the trading. And now the final deal in my strategy. Everything is also predictable here as in the previous deals. I do an analysis of the situation and see a point to enter the increase and we will do so. And now why exactly the increase? Everything is very simple. The main trend is going up. The general movement of the chart is up and the indicators show a reversal of the chart towards the rise. So our last deal has to be ended and our balance is $647 guys. So here is my result, $647 in just 3 minutes. Do you want to achieve the same success? So I am ready to talk about my strategies. Please like and follow my advice. If you have any doubts, look at the review of my subscribers in the Telegram channel. It's really simple. Check for yourself at the link in the description and join me. Let's make a money trading together and I'm always ready to help you to share my strategies. So see you in the next Telegram channel.